Grammar learners, voice. I play football. Football is played by me. I am playing football. Football is being played by me. I have played football. Football has been played by me. I played football. Football was played by me. I was playing football. Football was being played by me. I had played football. Football had been played by me. I will play football. Football will be played by me. I will have played football. Football will have been played by me. These are very important voice sentences. Thank you.